How to set up roles and users in the NAFCU Digital Banking App for Business ACH.
A role is a specific set of permissions that you grant for those individuals and users. These users can be your accountant or an ACH payroll staff member. Let's get started setting up your roles. Log into your digital banking and access the Manage Role and User features, then select Roles. Name the role and select the boxes for the permissions you wish to assign to the person processing ACH payroll.
You can customize each permission for the role. You can set the ACH limits, and Northland will notify you once the limits have been approved.
After you select Save, complete security validation and select Next. Your role has now been created. You can assign individual usernames and passwords to individuals that you would like to have access to your home banking account. Click Manage Users and select User, then add a new user and complete security validation. Next, you're going to fill in the user details and create the username and password for the user. Then send the password to the user's email and click Continue. Then you'll want to select the role and click Continue. Review the user information and click Confirm. Your new user has been created.
Great job setting up your role and your user. After creating your role and your user, Northland will assess the ACH limits for approval. Your last step is to log back into your digital banking and edit the role to add the service of Business ACH. Then you can set the limit of how much you would like your role to have. The user only has access to the funds that you've set for them. Once you have completed assigning permissions, click Save. Empower your business with NAFCU Digital Banking. Welcome to the Northland.